What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Shibanta ka Swachh Seva Arja Arpasan hapo ka Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. Kajwa Municipal Board hak arpun Rio Trik Nailur, kalapulong yang exhibition ni ka jingpen inam halur ka Best Out of Waste hachut waku indoor hall jwai. Haka ni ka jingpen inam lasaki ka jinga shimbanta ki school hakaleng ka sor jwai, haka baki kena puli kilapen iya ki model bathamai, ki poster bat ki jingpen i ki bapen pawi ka jinan kam jong ka jingpen nya ki jabo ka jingpen keladur bat ka jing tore kam kebala ban penne pensa. Haka ni ka snila dan lang ru da uminturi ka sorkar jala ma wailat ki shila ubala jurip ya ka jingpen inam bat ya keren ru bat ki kena puli. Uma wailat miki shila ha ka jingkren ula ai ka jingaro ya ka CEO ka JMB ringkat ka kinhuan halur ka jing persyang ka bapla bar ka jingalam ban penkela ya ka juwai municipal board syakatna trekam ka batrekam bha bat ka batre shitom. Ula ai khoblei ru e kinong ngelam shnong kinong mi khamat nakathan bat kinong shong shnong jong sor juwai kibla bateng ban kersha ni ka jing thmu jong ka board. Uma wailat miki shla ula penken mau bahau sinam arja khat pra ka municipal board kalaya kendu shibun ke jing e kenthop ka jing sangye ban lum mi ki jabo bat ula ai khublei ka jing ai tilut kinong trei kham tam hakapor badan ka jing pang covid-19 kibala beteng ya ka kam lum jabo bat pen khoi thakaleng ki jaka da ka ba pen thikna ya ka jing khu jing suba ba jing shnga jo ki pat ba.
I'm so happy to inform you that we are on the verge of getting our scientific landfill. We are in the process, and once again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the stakeholders from the Senjung Kiwahanong of Enjoy, Senjung Kiwahanong of Reload China, so many NGOs, and many have come forward to support on this mission. So I'm very thankful to each and everyone, and once again I hope to see that even in the coming future a lot of activities will be coming. Of the M1 di school, di Yungisen, di M1 MK, bahkan sekitar yang kita mantan di M dari dua bahkan juga di Indonesia, dua lain akan berdor tempat kalian yang berjuang school. But hajun kor kamu yuki cipun ki hadin kamu menekat ni yuki dari tit mati di kari kenang memhoy sangat yong ka waste treatment plant mo ka waste treatment mo sangat ni kita berpun di kari ko tedi di kari di kari kian di pick up ka JCB yang nak tedi di wadah kat water tank dan kam yu pahon chu kisem yong ki ye yu gol yang ka tuan municipal di ko umai di haka subsidize ni kita ki kam man yu di office na chimala na kuch armala usorok ko nei tai na ka pat DC nei tu wo nei tu na mat laki market utule ko chnai na tuan municipal board yo unsuk ya ga lai wan yo tu ka tha chibon scheme tu sedang e chati locality ko prepare ko chnom tuai the depth you distribute yang green and blue bins na kita ko waste segregation ya warok locality lembaga akan warok home luar tohi wat kat dia dah distribute yang ni ini warok ada percaya tangan mereka mau bikin ni to lada ke waste kan tinggal pun dan lain-lain di kau ada macamnya hagawi representation ni kita every student know एक ही या का comparison kami to kaya usia kami je lihat kami to kaya usia hei ni le to spin hei ni spin so doesn't mean that if there is no dustbin so that means we can throw our waste mudah biar dustbin untuk ya yang right atau no yang ucap itu. Maybe kejengkin klik. Kamu ni civic sense. Kami tahu kejengkin senyap kia. Watak geni ke cenom geni ke tahu geni ke planet tok yang mana yang ni. Tadi dia dah apa opil ya pilih. Bon sen bon buong. Rio suk sang menelai ciri yuri. Menelai ciri keren. Yo suk sang okoi. Kenmu dari keren okoi kamu tok wapun boisa. Wapun dasbin. No. Neba guru hai tai cimpiani responsibility from employ management. Nei dei ka boy. Tapi ngam koi ni la pilih bro. Tol je trek lagi. Tol yang bentar lagi yang bentar mana ni cuma jual rumah nanti. Koi. Senyap sunyo. Cak road yang cuma jual. Tapi ni cuma jual orang ni pada tahu biar belai itu. Kebelai itu ni. Tangan cawan dan koi ini jauh kita pun ini not belai. Senyap si uyu. Tadi kita api don, jorok tu yang nak. Kamu ni, jorok hati yang kita, hati yang kerek kami. Mereka open kod dia, yang dia cuma jual dunia. Tengah saya komen nasihat kecilnya pelan. Kamu ni boleh sejuk jual cuma dunia pelan baik dengan so supportive. Yunti ni cuma dapat kecilnya kerek yo saya kata scientific landfill. Mana yo yang scientific landfill. Dan kamu yo treat. But very soon the yo yang dicek kamu yo ni toh di akau orang man minta yo no bagi rumah ko dai man disi bat tu bi dai termas tu. Nei bentar itu dari order yang di dasbin yo he nang yo ko be itu. Yo lagi tu no hasrok until nei ba ita ini geri. Duda pak dari adin anta pada tadi pun naik dekat. Komunis belai bawa itu kali. Tangan rai yuri untuk wabung itu hadir di jalan nopi. Dan rai kata bawa yang big dustbin. Cuma nak kena cuawa kari kebuka. Kari bukit ke bawa yang kebuka dustbin. Bawa kenang di rumah tuan jauh itu itu banyak hak semada. Dalam kelas kita yang nak kemasjid dan kalau yang siap yang siap juga susah sedih. Dan modal di big dustbin kenapa banyak semada. Bahkan menuju ini, orang yang berjaya. Tak payah nak macam ini. Sekarang ini kita jadi recycle center mau sama. Nang yo recycle yang biodegradable waste. Kamu yo bikin video. Banyak itu di recycling waste kan. Dan percaya di combustible waste dan percaya di cement factory. Tapi ini buat yang tidak yang percaya kan ini belakang kamu sebagai kamu sorkan. Tengah tempat ini kamu orang ni kon jadi prinsip lebih berat.
Kakong DV Lingdo, Chief Executive Officer Juwai Municipal Board, haka jingkran pediang, kala pentip baya ka Swachh Hi Seva Arja Arpasan, hapo ka Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, laraki na do ka khatnyo trik nailur, hadu ka artarik risaw Arja Arpasan, bat kum shibenta jong ka campaign, ka Juwai Municipal Board, kala pelong yaki babon ki jat program kenthop ka jingpen khoi yaki pankhana pait ba jingpen khoi yaki school na lor ki wei ka HK Singh Memorial High Secondary School Juwai kala yo ya kanam baningkong ringkat ka song pisa ka balai pawa jartingka ka Khimistyang Presbyterian Secondary School Juwai kala yo ya kanam ka baar ringkat ka song pisa ka baar pawa jartingka katba ka Government Girls School Juwai kala yo ya kusnam keba shipawa jartingka ya ka school ka balale bhatam ha ka rukam penya ya ka jabo lapun ko buram da ka certificate bat ka kusnam pisa ha ka ba ka St Mary's Magzerulo Girls High Secondary School Juwai kala yo ya ka nam lado bat yo ya ka song pisa ka bas nyopo jartingka kat ba ka North Liberty High Secondary School Juwai kala yo ya ka kusnam ka baar ringkat ka song pisa ka basan po jartingka bat ya ka number line la yo da ka tetap bali English School Juwai, Khimistyang Presbyterian School Juwai, bat ke HK Singh Memorial School Juwai, bat kila yo pediang ya ka song pisa ka bamar Arpasan hajar tingka. Nalor kata ka JMB kalapun ko buram ru e kisnong ki baturi kambha ka jingpenya e jabo jaban, Hakaba kachiliang ran kabalawan ningkong kalayo pediang ya kasong pisa kaba nyopawa jartingka buat sa katapap pali locality kabalayo sanpawa jartingka bat kalum kerwiang lai pusan hajartingka. Hakaniga sngi umentri ulasam ru ekitin berat nyut shabaro ki waheshnong bat kinong penyat school hapo kasar jawai.
Exhibition today we try to implement waste, and we wanted to see if we could make a homemade earthquake detector purely out of waste. And alongside we have these arts and crafts that are made from recycling materials. And our homemade earthquake detector, it includes a simple pendulum, and we have this bulb that my friend, she got it from her home, the solar panel that they don't really use anymore, she got it from there, and all these wires too. And we are trying to showcase on how we can detect earthquake by our model. And today we'll be showing you how we use it, and my friends will be explaining all the things that they used to make. And I hope it will be an enjoyable experience, and I hope you enjoy it.
The theme of our project, which is a working model alongside all these art and decors, is homemade earthquake detector. The main idea behind this is because we try to make something from simple ways into something useful and innovative. So here we have the light bulb and the wires we're using here today are from a discarded solar panel at home. We have a solar set at home which are no longer in use, and I tried to make something. So when the pendulum here moves, if suppose there's an earthquake, the light will flickers as a trigger for the alarm of an earthquake. But this model can be modified if we use a buzzer so that it can trigger if we are not in that same room.
Water spray bottle, salt as microwave starter, stick or later for steaming, tray or container for collecting the heat. So the contour of this exhibit are where the pin boundary small hole gets, where the pin boundary small hole.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.